In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Audible desktop version of your book. We'll walk through the desktop experience step by step so you can quickly find the audiobook you want, preview it, and manage your options like adding it to your cart, saving it for later, reviewing it, or sending it as a gift. First, head to the Audible website on your computer. Using a desktop browser gives you a clear view of the full navigation and all the details you'll want to see at a glance. Once the homepage loads, move your mouse to the top navigation and hover over the Browse menu. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens a panel with categories and shortcuts that make it easier to get where you're going without hunting around. From that menu, click on Audiobooks. This takes you into the main audiobook section where everything is organized for easy discovery. It's the best starting point whether you know exactly what you want or you're still considering options. If you already have a title in mind, use the search bar to type what you want to listen to. You can search by book title, author, narrator, or even a keyword. Press enter to see results. On the results page, scan the covers and titles, then glance at the runtime and ratings to quickly gauge what fits your needs. Small refinements, like checking the narrator listed, can help you pick a version you'll enjoy. If you're browsing instead of searching, stay in the categories and explore. Scroll through curated lists, new releases, and top sellers. When a book catches your eye, click it to open the audiobook's detail page. Here you'll find a summary, reviews, runtime, and other essentials that help you make an informed choice. On the detail page, you can try a short sample to hear the narrator and get a feel for the tone. If you prefer to see all available actions, click More Options. This expands the available choices so you can decide what to do next without leaving the page. From here, you can add the audiobook to your cart if you're ready to purchase, or add it to your wish list to save it for later. You can write a review if you've already listened and want to share your thoughts, or choose the gift option to send the audiobook to someone else. Take a moment to confirm the selection that suits your plans right now. That's it. You've set yourself up to find, preview, and manage your audiobook on Audible's desktop site. Enjoy your listening, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.